job.
They like to get fluffy.
That's a little boy.
You already did these. Have to fluff you. I have to put the leaf of the pets on top.
Come here. That's a good boy. Come here. Good job. Good boy. Yeah, you too? Okay.
What did they say?
They're saying, here I am. Oh, there he goes.
Did they say, you're a good job too?
I think so. They think that's their mountain, don't they?
Yeah. Because I made a mountain for them. I made that mountain for them.
That was a good idea.
I'm going to play with my pet.